my channel. I just got back from the grocery store. I got some videos uploaded to send to my editor, and I'm unloading the dishwasher and doing stuff. Just like about to cook, but I need to get the groceries out and then I need to clean up. It's just so much going on, but you guys can just catch this. This in a previous video or not, but one of my classmates married another classmate, and the other classmate has a winery, or not a winery, but they've come out with a wine, and it is called Michael Lavelle. So she sent me a rosé and a Zinfandel. It's a really pretty bottle. It came from Winester. It has this in there. 2021 Iris Rosé by Michael Lavelle Wines. Michael Lavelle Wines is a black-owned luxury private wine label launched in June of 2020, founded by Howard University alum Aaron Michael Code and Terrence Lavelle Lowe, along with their partners sommelier Devin Kennedy and Brandon Crump. Started via their passionate curiosity about wine and its rich history, and recognized the glaring void in fresh, culturally relevant wine craftsmanship offered and marketed towards millennials and minority audiences. Winemaker is Joe O. It comes from California. Petite Syrah, Zinfandel, Cabernet Sauvignon. This is what it looks like. Pretty label. I don't know if I've ever seen this in stores. I feel like I have, but I'm not sure, but it looks really good. I'm really proud of them. Hey guys, what's up? So today, I wanted to make a cooking video, but then I just had so many other things to do, and it required me to be on the phone while I was cooking. So I didn't do that, but I am finishing up. I don't know who I think I'm cooking for. Right now, I'm doing Mexican street corn, but off the cob. I don't have anybody to cook for. I'm in here making this meal, and then I've already prepped my stuff because I want to make lasagna. That will probably be an actual cooking video. I'm just making all of this food, but I do want to, I said I wasn't going to do it all today because it's like I'm not going to eat it today. But then I was like, no, that way during the week as I'm super busy, I'll already have food that I can just heat up, as opposed to having to stop, cook. So basically what I've done with this particular meal is I have a whole branzini that I am going to grill on my indoor, it's like a cast iron grill pan that takes up 2 burners. I love it. Only thing is I have like my patio door open. I want to open my front door too. I just need to find something proper to open because it gets so smoky in here. The smoke, the fire alarm will go off. It's so embarrassing because it's always like somebody burning down their house. But anyway, what goes into this is the grilled corn. So I've taken it off the cob. I'm gonna throw the cobs away. I don't know if there's like another use for them. I also grilled some red onions and green bell pepper to eat with this. I'm gonna chop up this jalapeno that I have and put that in there. I want it a little spicy. There's this place called Fuel City in Dallas, right? And they have these, they have like a cart outside. They sell tacos, but they also are famous for their street corn, the elote that they sell outside of there. Well, they add, first of all, they don't use butter, they use margarine, so won't be doing that. But they also add lemon pepper seasoning. So if I have some lemon pepper, I'm gonna put it in there. If not, it'll be tahini, chili pepper, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, butter, some mayo, and a little bit of cotija cheese, and a little bitty bit of Mexican crema. I'm not trying to make it exactly like Fuel City, but this is how I like mine. So I'm really excited. This week is our live show. I can't wait. Okay, so I made like, this is the branzino. I made this marinade with some different peppers to it. I'm preheating my grill pan over here. That's what I cooked the vegetables on. And then I'm gonna put the fish on there. In the meantime, I have put a few tortillas. I'm gonna eat the fish with tortillas. I'll dampen some paper towels and put it in the microwave. I'm gonna warm that up in a minute, but it's just sitting in there. Okay, so I'm gonna take some mayo. How much is that? Probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons, I don't know. About a tablespoon or 2 of that. Okay, I'm gonna put, chili powder. My tahini. I like spice, so I'm gonna add some cayenne. Put as much of this as you want in there. I like it. I'm putting a lot. See? Stir it all up. The grill is hot. Look at that. It just, it is so good. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Go slow, go slow, go slow. I'm just living in the moment. I'm just living in the moment. It came out great. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The corn came out great. Got the vegetable zest, and then I'm gonna eat it with some corn tortillas. Now I wanna try everything. So I have the corn, but I added some more tahini and some red onions just to my personal perfect. I'm about to watch Wednesday. Now let me make a little taco. So I like the corn tortillas. I just feel like they have more flavor. Put a little bell pepper in there. Some of this fish. A little bit of red onion. Do y'all like the skin of the fish? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I guess maybe it depends on the fish. That was a bone. But it's delicious. I'm thinking my next one I'll do without the bell pepper. I'm not crazy about it with it, but I do like the onions with it. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. Hopefully somebody will join me next time. Bye.